guys, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. This is the 4th of July weekend here in America, which is the Independence Day of USA. That means I get 3 days of my weekend. So I'm going to Hollywood, Florida this weekend along with my friends, which is somewhere between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. It's replicated by the same builder who built the Hollywood of LA. So it has different kinds of beaches, there's a boardwalk and lots of things to do. Obviously there are going to be fireworks on the 4th of July. And we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Happy summers.
ticket for 1 day per adult, and I think that would make more sense to spend like about 4 or 5 hours here, and then in the night you can just go to a casino or something. So there is water on both sides of this island. So this right here is Garden of Rockets, and that up here is Heroes and Legends, where they show like a 3D show. So this right here was Heroes and Legends as we are entering it.
As a reminder, we kindly abstain from any usage of any cell phone or external video lamp. Thank you.
So here they played us a short 3D movie on this huge screen, which was very immersive experience, but I didn't shoot it for that part. So. And this right here was the original control room, fire room for the Mercury mission. So this is an old Mercury heat capsule which would help protect from the heat when it lands on the earth. This is a very old one, but yet a very good one. So these are piezoelectric tiles, meaning that walking on them produces energy, and once this energy is enough or equal to the energy of launching a rocket, it shows on that screen up front, which is pretty interesting, and it simulates a kind of virtual launching. So here was where the Mars rover is parked usually, but it was on a mission at the time, so it was not available to view. And then we got hungry for lunch. There are a number of cafes, but Orbit Cafes was one of the good ones on site. Our next thing was to catch a bus to the other island. So for 10 minutes we tried to hop onto this another place called Planet Play, but we just realized the waiting time is going to be a lot. So we dropped that plan and headed to the gift shop nearby. We bought some souvenirs, and then we headed to the bus which was going from this island to another island, where there was a firing room with real simulation for Apollo mission.
But the buildings I had, those were used for the shuttle program. Now they're turned over to Boeing Airport. Boeing took over Hangar 3. That's where they're building a capital CST-100 Starliner. And then the airport took over Hangar 1 and 2 for the X-37B. Just behind these is where the machines are located that they built in Ohio. These are the world's largest land vehicles. They built them up there. It's an American shuttle company, Marion, Ohio. And to get them to fly, they took them apart, ground down in sections of railroad cars. And then they brought 50 men down here from Ohio and reassembled them. They stand at 20 feet high. The bodies go up 26 feet. And the big track sections are 41.
So this was the firing room, and it looked so real. On the chairs there were like quotes from the scientists, similar to what the earlier day scientists used to wear, like with different company names and sponsors in the back of their coat. It's like real life size screens of news and everything. It was amazing. So on the left and right you can see real-time status of different systems like fuel and different engines, and they're lighting up in real time. So cool.
Coming up in 90 seconds from Mark. T-minus 90 seconds incoming. The Apollo 8 crew standing by. Spacecraft Commander Frank Borman, Jim Miller, Bill Anders. Now we report that the liquid hydrogen tank on the third stage is pressurized. 1 minute 15 seconds. Look at the switch list aboard the spacecraft. 20 seconds, all aspects, we are still going at this time. 13 minutes 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 4,
island. It's called Merritt Island. So they took us to another island through bus. And it's really beautiful. Like you can see, it has got really beautiful view. There's just water behind us. In front of me is the building in which there were different tours. There were like 2 or 3 different tours and attractions here, including the firing room, which is pretty cool, and also the Lunar Theater, which I just saw right now. During launches, you know, you could sit on these tables and